Digital and online banking indeed offer convenience. With just our smartphones, tablets, and laptops, we can perform our banking transactions at the comfort of our homes. Despite the rampant fraudulent schemes, we can protect ourselves and not be victims of these scammers. Here are some tips to fight fraud.
Letter P in the acronym PIN does not mean public. PIN means Personal Identification Number, which we frequently use to transact our ATM cards. By being personal means only you should know these digits unless otherwise you have a family member you want to entrust your PIN and ATM card with. Also, you must secure the username and password of your online banking account so that nobody can get access to your funds. Even bank employees are prohibited from knowing your ATM card PIN and online banking password. A strong password is composed of a combination of lower and uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters. A strong password means it cannot be easily guessed by anyone so that your online banking account is secured. You must also regularly change your password at most 90 days or in any instance that someone has found out. Also activate multi-factor authentication for your accounts. Do not click links or respond to emails, text, or calls asking for your account information and personal details. Legitimate financial institutions and their personnel do not send such requests at random. Be especially wary if the sender is unfamiliar to you. Always call the number found on the contact information to make sure the number legitimately belongs to the entity you are dealing with. Personal information such as your address, mobile number, and birthday are very sensitive information that doesn't have to be known to all. Crooks pretending to be from banks you do business with may call or send an email claiming they need to verify your personal information. Don't provide your information, credit card, or bank account number unless you are paying for something and you know who you are sending payment to. When shopping online, make sure that the payment gateway you are using is legitimate. Do not directly pay to any website unless you know about it. Make sure you perform online shopping using a credit card and not a debit card. What makes using debit card extremely risky is the fact that it is linked to your bank account. With spending limit, credit cards cannot be misused to the extent a debit card can be. It is easier to dispute fraudulent charges on a credit card as compared to recovering the money taken out from a debit card. If someone claims that you can earn money with little or no work, get a loan or credit card even if you have bad credit, or make money on an investment with little or no risk, it's probably a scam. Oftentimes, offers that seem too good to be true actually are too good to be true. If you find unfamiliar transactions in your statement of account, do not hesitate to ask your bank for more details about the transaction. If it was a fund transfer, to which account did the transfer go? Or if it was an online purchase, to which merchant did you pay? The bank has access to these details, and the bank employees are more than willing to assist you. Most of us would forget or outright disregard logging out of our email, social media, or web browser accounts. Even when using your personal computer or mobile device, someone could access your account and do unauthorized things with it. Always log out and always have a password or a passcode on your device. Some of the malware programs are designed to manipulate the security vulnerabilities in the OS and web browsers and steal your financial data. Use advanced anti-malware program that will protect both classified and unclassified attacks on your computer and other digital devices you are using. Make sure your anti-malware program is updated or its auto-update option is on. Make sure that the antivirus program can detect newly created and mutated malware threats even before it's included in the database of the automatic updates. It is great that you follow your bank's online social media accounts so you can be updated if there are announcements pertaining to your transactions. However, refrain from commenting your concerns on the bank's social media page as fraudsters target those who are easily giving out their personal information. Instead, directly contact your bank through its hotline or official email address. Before you throw away your useless documents or scratch papers, check first if they do not contain your personal information. If they do, erase, cut, or shred those documents before throwing away. These documents include the packages of your online purchases in which your address and contact number are indicated. You can help others from becoming fraud victims by sharing information only from verified and legitimate sources. Fraud prevention is a responsibility of everyone, and in being accountable to each other, we will get each other to safety and gain the benefits of digital and online banking.